am your science teacher and I am going to teach the chapter of class 7 is food. This is the first unit of your book. In the unit of first the food, it involves nutrition in plant. If we got lots of food for our energy, the foods also where it's found from is also found from crops or plants. So plants is also needs a different type of nutrients to grow up. Lots of food we just found to our growth and our body, and just like our body, plants need food for growth. So let's see, all living organisms need food to survive. This is a very true thing to our lives. All living organisms need food for survive. Let's see, food provides essential nutrients. Essential nutrients means like protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals. This is the essential parts of our food. If we take a food without any proteins, fiber or nutrients, we can't get any type of energy. It only fill our stomach to survive, but we can't get any type of energy to growth or any type of doing work for energy. Let's see, the important things are required for our body to perform various activity. When we take a different type of food and minerals, vitamins, it provides energy to do work. Some organisms like plants can make their own food. Plants are autotroph. Autotroph means self. They are the only things to do their food by self. Just like the one thing is important in this, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the part of food which taken by the plants. Let's see another thing. There are two types of nutrients. Two types of nutrients means first autotrophic mode of nutrients, heterotrophic mode of nutrients. In the autotrophic mode of nutrients, they take their food by self. They produce their own food. I already say that the photosynthesis is involved. In the process of photosynthesis, leaves may play an important role. Without leaves, plant can't make their own food. When photosynthesis happened, leaves make an important role. The important thing is stomata. The little pores shows on this leaves, stomata. This is the important part of making photosynthesis. In this stomata, it has chlorophyll. This chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, water or another energy thing and produce food. Let's see the equation of photosynthesis. First CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. When it combined with H2O. H2O means water. When carbon dioxide and water combine with each other due to presence of sunlight or chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, which is found in the stomata or leaves, it makes glucose. This equation is C6H12O11. This is the equation of glucose, and it releases O2. O2 means oxygen. This is the process of photosynthesis which take place in leaves and produce a different type it produce food for plants, and plants makes their own food and provides us oxygen to breathe. Let's see the another part, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic means the animals and the another living organism which is depending on another person for their food, just like man and animals. These are depending on another things. Man depend on plants for food. Animal depend on grass. The first person is the producer is grass. And the another thing is animal. Animal depend on grass for their food, and man is depend on animal to food. This is the combination of the food where man is depend on another thing to take their food, and animal is also dependent on another thing to take their food. This is the two types of nutrition. First autotrophic and second is heterotrophic. Let's see what questions are made from this topic. The first question is, what is food? The second question is, type of nutrition. Third question is, essential part of food. With example. These three questions are arises from this topic, and you have to do this type of three questions. If you have any type of problem, just write your message in our comment box. Thank you.